Alright, this is the elevator at IKEA in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We have a Schindler HXpress elevator here. Alright. Let's go to 2. Oh, oops. This used to be a Dover Impulse. Here we are at 2.
Second floor.
Go back down to 1. Oh. Alright. Door opens on that side. There's your Dover logo down there. It used to be, again, it used to be an Impulse. Very basic elevator cab. Here we are at 1. Alright, go back up to 2. Oh, going up. Alright. Here we are at 2.
Second floor.
Alright. Get out here. And that's it.